everyone, I'm Derek Shakey with the Collector Car Network, and in case you couldn't tell, there's a lot going on around me, a lot of action, a lot of excitement. That means I'm at one of the world famous Barrett-Jackson auctions. You can find pretty much everything here, whether you're into vintage collector cars or modern muscle. Right now, I'm next to a 1971 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray coupe. You're probably familiar with the headline surrounding the 2025 Corvette ZR1. It has 1,064 horsepower, a top speed of 233 miles an hour. One thing it doesn't have is big block power. To get that kind of power plant, you have to go back a few decades to the C3 generation, which is when this particular 71 is from. Chevrolet offered this with the choice of two 454 cubic inch big block V8s. This particular car has the LS5 454, which was rated for 365 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. In this car, that's all hooked up to a 3-speed automatic. Now, opting for the LS5 got you more than just increased power. It also came with this domed hood, a higher capacity radiator, good idea, as well as suspension upgrades and other modifications. There's more going for this 71 Stingray than just what's under the hood. About 8,000 miles ago, it was cosmetically updated. So inside, it was furnished with a new black leather interior and a newer steering wheel. And whoever spec'd this particular Corvette was generous because they equipped it with a lot of power features. The steering, the brakes, and the windows. There's also air conditioning, which makes this Corvette cool in more ways than one. As part of the updates, the exterior was refinished in the original color of Steel City's gray and given fresh chrome, as you can see at both ends of the car. This being a 71 means that this car is close to the end of the run of the chrome bumpered Corvettes from the C3 generation. I'd like to thank you for watching this up-close look at this very attractive old-school Vette. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm going to get back to the action here at the Barrett-Jackson auction and look for more cars to profile and show you here on AutoHunter Cinema. Once again, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more interesting finds and more action here at the Barrett-Jackson auction.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching our video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button. And remember, comment down below your thoughts. If you want to collect a car of your own, check out our website at classiccars.com, which is our online marketplace with over 30,000 listings live on the site. Also, be sure to check out our sister website, AutoHunter, which is our 7-day online auction. Thanks again, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.